Oh, all right. So what happened?
Okay, so a girl put my boyfriend on her Instagram as her Man Candy Monday. Not only is he my boyfriend, but he's my Man Candy Monday, not your Man Candy Monday.
Okay. So, Man Candy Monday. Women Crush Wednesday. All this is social media stuff.
Okay,
right?
exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
So to me it's all fake. So my thing is, why would you get mad because somebody do a Man Crush Monday, Women Crush Wednesday, Thought Thursday, any of that? Because my thing is, it's all for fun. It's all social media. It's no different if I'm married and I put up my Man Crush Monday to be Maxwell or Tyrese or Idris Elba or somebody like that. It doesn't mean anything. It's just
okay, no, it doesn't. It doesn't mean anything when you're putting up celebrities, because they are a celebrity on the whole.
They're men.
Celebrity level.
They're men.
They are men.
They're men.
But they're what kind of men?
And a crush
what kind of men are they? They are famous men. They are not your local Bobby, Jimmy, and Jack. They are Tyrese, Idris, and Kim. Not you say Kim. Okay, whatever.
But I'm just
they
not. But yeah. But anyway, go ahead.
They're not. It's different. Because
what's so different about it?
What's different about it? This is what's different about it. Because Lil Sally Walker and John Doe. John Doe is my boyfriend. Mm-hmm. Lil Sally Walker and John Doe attend the same school as the same school that I attend. Mm-hmm. You got the same followers that I have. You got my boyfriend on your page. Now, Sally, where do you think that's okay?
So all your little friends that went and say, "Oh, she done put your man up." Girl, what's up with
you
that?
You and John Doe still date because she done put him on his page as her.
Why are you feeding into that?
Why am I feeding into it? I'm not feeding into it. It's just a simple fact that this is how things get misconstrued, interpreted into thinking that is her man, Candy Monday. But in reality, John Doe is my man, Candy Monday. My man, Candy, every day. Right. Not that.
And if you know that,
I do know that, but I feel like,
why are you getting so upset because she posted his picture? She might think he cute. If he cute, it's all right. Okay, it's all good. I'm sure guys probably want to put you up for their Woman Crush Wednesday, and they think you a little, what they call it, a baddie or whatever, and so they'll put you up. So if he get mad and be like, well, what's up with that? Tom, Dick, and Harry done put you up on their page as a Woman Crush Wednesday, you gonna look at him like, why would you be getting mad? Because
I would not.
I don't know them. People put, I've seen on Instagram that people put up people they don't really know.
Every situation.
Do you know the girl?
Every situation is different. I know the girl knows me. The girl, I have made it clear to her that me and John are dating. John should not be nowhere on your Instagram. Exactly. She trying to send the message that I don't care if you and John dating. I'm going to be flat out disrespectful and put him on my page because I feel like, yeah, he your boyfriend, but yeah, I got a crush on him. And today's Monday.
That ain't cool.
Exactly.
Now that part about it, if that's how y'all world work, I guess that's how you guys world work.
It's how y'all generation won't be like, oh, she done put. No,
well, in our generation, we had our
like that, right? But I'm saying it's different because.
But y'all just get bucked over anything. Like, I don't know.
Because you don't want nobody to try you because that's just
But what is trying you? Like, really, for real? Like, people having a...
Trying me
okay, this is the thing you need to realize.
This is the boundary. Trying me is overstepping the boundary.
Right, okay.
When you get disrespectful, that's when you have to get told.
But you guys do not understand that you are living in a country where there's freedom of speech and expression and
okay,
all
there's
these
all of that,
and so
but you're not going to be disrespectful.
They can say whatever they want, however they want, or whatever. If
I'm
somebody
not saying they can't.
But I think it's disrespectful when they actually are in your presence. Like, this social media stuff is bogus. It's crazy. Like, people can say whatever they want. Now, I do not agree with cyberbullying. No, you cannot just get on the internet and bully somebody and tell them all these nasty things you're gonna do, because that is not cool. But I mean, if you feel like, well, hey, he's cute, or I like his clothes, or he's got swag, you know, that's a difference.
Keep it to yourself. He's cute.
They can voice that. They can voice that.
He got swag, but girl, he got a girlfriend. Or
it
girl,
doesn't
he got a
matter.
wife.
And she know he has a girlfriend, that's fine. I do not agree. Like, if she know y'all go to the same
fact that we're in the same school, in the same presence, and you still are bold, that means you gotta get. You want to be bold, you get told. That's just how it works. And if you are scared to get told, don't be bold. That's all I got to say.
Well, I guess. But my thing is that social media stuff is nothing to get upset over.
It's nothing to get upset over.
Like, you can't hold it against him, because definitely can't hold it against him because somebody put him up as
this don't have nothing to do with him. This is me and her.
But why? And really, why? Because I don't like that. Don't go for the woman.
I'm not saying that I'm going for her, but I know how the situation.
I know
how
women
the boat
can be
float,
very deliberate and they can be vindictive.
She put it on her page, therefore she is the one getting talked to about it. It was her call, her post, her own picture.
So y'all get mad if somebody put your boyfriend as a Man Crush Monday.
Picture that I ain't never seen before. Her own picture
that she took of him.
Oh, her own picture.
So you asked him how he get that? How she get that picture?
I know.
You asked him.
The picture was a sports picture.
Well, I mean, so I can put up a picture of Drew Brees, like, for real. Like, Drew Brees probably every time the Saints win, because I am a Saints fan, I can put Drew Brees up as my Man Crush Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to the next game. Whichever. You know what I'm saying? It does not, to me, what I'm saying to you is petty. It doesn't matter. Like, these guys, some people...
Okay, but some things are petty and some things are not. Knowing me, Q Tropez, I am not a petty person. No, he does not.
Want the girl?
No, he does not.
Roosevelt.
No, Roosevelt. I give my government. This is my government name. Mm-hmm. Knowing me, TheRosaBomb.com. I am too bomb to be messed
Rosa
with.
Bomb.
So, no.
I don't agree.
That's not okay.
I don't agree. All I can say is that it doesn't matter, because social media, Man Crush Monday, Wednesday Crush Wednesday, Thought Thursday, Flashback
there is no
Friday,
Thought Thursday. People don't do that.
Twerk Tuesday, or whatever y'all do.
People don't do
that. It is for fun.
It is for everyone to see.
It's for fun. You're right.
Okay, if you're putting something on there, you putting it for everyone to see.
So maybe she wants you to know, I'm digging your dude.
Maybe
he's this and that, but doesn't mean, well, like, because really, to be honest with you, that comes into a play of insecurities. Are you insecure about your relationship? Are you insecure about your relationship?
Maybe she wants you to know it's fun. I'm digging your dude. Oh no, ma'am.
No.
Just like that.
It's just the same. It would be the same way if a boy be like, man, you know, your girl.
I'm digging your dude.
Good.
You don't do that. Just point blank.
People
period.
can say if your guy look nice. People can say if
okay,
your girl
you can
look
say
nice.
it. Say it to me. I might not be so happy about it, but say it to
Why?
me.
Why?
Because don't come up to me, oh yeah, girl, look, oh yeah, girl, your boyfriend cute.
So what I'm saying to you, yeah, I know, and the phrase you said was what? My boyfriend.
Okay,
yeah, and that's it.
Okay,
that's it.
It's
so that's all you need to be rolling on.
I need to let you know firsthand, from my mouth, I don't play. So disrespectful, trying to come.
But what I'm saying to you is, I do not think that that's disrespectful. I think
it's totally disrespectful.
Maybe in your generation, y'all feel like that because
in our generation, it is.
So there is a level of insecurity in your generation for whatever reason. I do not know. But what I'm saying to you as your mother, I don't want you to carry that on, because the thing about it is, you have no reason.
I'm not carrying.
You have no reason.
It was simple
to be insecure about anything.
That's my boyfriend. She said, "Oh, I didn't know." Okay, I know. Oh, you're lying. But I didn't know. Okay, well now you know. Take it down. Boom. That's done.
She took it to media. What you have to realize about social media, that it's all for fun. It's all for social activity.
Yeah, it's all for
like
fun.
When you go into a party with a bunch of friends and everybody has something to say about a person who walked in a room with a certain outfit on. I mean, this is what we did when we did not have Instagram, Facebook, and all this crap. You see somebody walking, oh girl, look at da-da-da-da. Well, they were in your presence and you could say these things. Well, now you have social media with the internet, and so you don't get to just say it like that with your friends and the person not know. You get to say it with your friends and then the person find out or whatever, And sometimes in situations when we were at parties, they would find out because somebody who was in a group probably was friends with them and just didn't say nothing. They just stayed low key. But what I'm saying is, it's all for fun. There's no reason for you to really be upset about it. And so you just saying that it's not cool.
I'm saying it is not cool if me, you, and Dupree go to the same school. You do not put up a picture of my boyfriend as your man, Candy Monday. I just want you to know now. It's not okay. It's overstepping your boundary, and it's not cool. And that's it. Keep it cute or keep it on mute.
All right.